Welcome to episode 5. I know if you've watched the episode number 4, you should be able to provide answer to this easily. I know with the help of calculator, you can do so, but we are going to do this without the use of calculator. So what do we do? Let's pick the first one. We are picking sine 150 degree. So this is an angle that is beyond 90. So basically this become an obtuse angle. That will be in the second quadrant. If you are not aware, you can still make a sketch of your unit circle where x is here, y is here as the axis. As you travel along, you bypass this axis to be in this point. So all the way to this place should be giving you 150 degrees. What will be the reference angle? The reference angle is 180 minus 150. That will be 30 degrees. So since I know that it is all silly tan cos, meaning sine will be positive here. So this is the same as positive sine 30, right? The sine 150 is the same as sine 30. And how do we find 30? We know 0, 30. The sine is root 1 over 2. That will give you positive 1 over 2. So when you put the sine 150 on your calculator or in your calculator, the answer it will give you will be half or 0.5. So this is how we use the unit circle in arriving at that answer. Then number 2, which is cos 120, if we have that also drawn, 120 will also be beyond that. So all of this is 120. We subtract this from 180 to have for 60 degree as the reference angle. And don't forget, as usual, ASTC, cast. So it means that only sine will be positive in this quadrant. So it means that any other value that I have for any ratio is become negative. So your cos 120 degrees is equal to negative cos the reference angle 60 degree. So if I have 0, 30, 45, 60 cos, right? That is also going to be 1 over 2, but negative. So this is giving you a negative value because the cos is not positive in the second quadrant. All right. I'm sure if you get the episode number 4, you will understand this perfectly. Let's go to tan. 300. So let's pick this one also. 300 means that we are moving all the way 90, 180, 270. We are coming closer to this place. So 300 will be here as the point. Normally it's P or any value in there. So our movement is the anti-clockwise direction. So you move all the way to this place as 300. The reference angle will be 300 from 360. That will give you 60 degrees. So your reference angle is going to be that. So remember, all silly tan cos. Tan is not positive here. So your tan 300 degree is just going to be negative tan 60 degree. That will give you negative. If I have 0, 30, 45, 60, that will be root 3 over 1. So if I have root 3 over 1, that will be a negative root 3. Now remember that the negatives are there because of the position in the quadrant. Wherever they are, some will be negative, some will be positive, regardless, depending on the quadrant they find themselves. So keep this in mind. C-A-S-T, cast, or all silly tan cast, so that you know the quadrant that the ratios are positive. So C positive here, T positive here, S positive here, all of them will be positive for acute angle. Alright, if that is the case, you can try the cos 240 and leave your answer in the comment section. I would prefer if you can do that on a paper or somewhere and take a snapshot and show, so that we all learn from each other. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.